guess what? Every day we create enough waste to fill more than 1,000 football fields. Our planet is warming faster than ever before, with irreversible damage on the horizon. Here's the big question. Are we doing enough to protect the planet? Here's the reality. If we don't act now, our future looks bleak. By 2050, climate disasters could cost trillions and ecosystems we rely on may collapse. Now, let's talk about your team. Did you know that 70% of employees feel disconnected from their workplace? Lack of collaboration and engagement doesn't just hurt morale, it impacts your company's growth. Companies that prioritize team building and purpose-driven work are 21% more productive and 50% more likely to retain employees. Yet so many organizations fail to make it happen. Here's the truth. HR managers struggle to find engaging team-building activities that also align with CSR goals. Existing tools are fragmented, leading to wasted time and uninspired teams. Entrepreneurs often find it hard to foster team cohesion while balancing the demands of running a business. Coaches want to create meaningful change, but lack the tools to reach the right audience. And the biggest problem, there's no single, easy-to-use platform that brings all of this together. Here's the good news. You don't have to choose between team building and sustainability. Because people bond best when they're working towards something meaningful. Imagine this: planting trees together while learning about biodiversity, collaborating on zero-waste workshops that spark creativity, joining beach cleanups that inspire teamwork and shared purpose. Sustainability isn't just a cause, it's a catalyst for connection. And that's where Impactboard comes in. Impactboard is the all-in-one platform for sustainability-focused team building. Whether you're an HR manager, an entrepreneur, or a sustainability coach, Impactboard takes the stress out of planning impactful events. Here's how it works. Choose from a curated library of team-building activities like tree planting days, zero-waste workshops, and beach cleanups. Tailor the event to fit your team size, values, and schedule. Use our integrated scheduling tools to book events and invite your team. Partner with world-class sustainability coaches to create unforgettable experiences. Get detailed reports on your environmental and social contributions, perfect for CSR reporting or marketing campaigns. Impactboard is designed to make your life easier and your efforts more impactful. Imagine this: your team is stronger, your company is thriving, and together, you're making a real difference. The future isn't written yet, but with Impactboard, you have the power to create a better one for your people, your company, and the planet. Let's build a future where teams thrive and the planet flourishes.